Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review everyday essentials that make a big difference. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best bamboo drawer organizer expandable adjustable kitchen product out there. The Pipishell Bamboo Expandable Drawer Organizer. Let's dive into it. This organizer is made from beautiful natural bamboo. It's got that clean, polished look that instantly elevates any drawer. Whether you're organizing your kitchen utensils, bedroom accessories, office supplies, or even tools in the utility room, this tray gives you both elegance and functionality. Now, what sets this one apart is its expandable and adjustable design. Out of the box, it comes with a default layout of 6 compartments, but that's not all. With a smooth slide on either side, it expands to offer 8 compartments. It starts at 10.31 inches and goes all the way up to 16.54 inches wide. That adjustability is a game changer. No more guesswork about whether it'll fit your drawer, it adapts to you. Speaking of compartments, they're smartly sized to accommodate a wide variety of items. Whether it's forks, knives, spoons, scissors, rulers, or even jewelry. This organizer isn't just for kitchens. You can use it in your bedroom, living room, home office, and beyond. One product, multiple use cases. Now let's talk materials. Pipishell uses premium-grade bamboo, harvested only at full maturity. That means it's not just sustainable, it's stronger and more durable. You're getting quality that feels like it'll last for years. This isn't the kind of organizer that will warp or splinter after a few months. It's solid, and it feels reliable. Another thing that makes this drawer organizer special is the attention to detail in construction. The dividers are neatly finished, edges are smooth, and the sliding mechanism feels seamless. You're not dealing with stiff panels or janky components. It's a product that's been thoughtfully designed. And how's the maintenance? Extremely easy. A quick wipe with a warm damp cloth is enough to keep it looking fresh. Bamboo is naturally resistant to moisture, which means you won't have to worry about long-term stains or smells, especially if you're using it in a kitchen setting. Now if you're someone who hates clutter, this tray is a time saver. Instead of digging through a messy drawer for a spatula or a pen, you get clear visibility and access. You'll actually enjoy opening your drawers. As for size, the medium version we're showing here has dimensions of 14.96 inches deep, 16.54 inches wide at full expansion, and 1.89 inches high. It's designed to fit snugly into most standard drawers, but always measure your space just to be sure. And here's a quick tip. If you have multiple drawers, consider getting more than one. Use one for cutlery, another for stationery, and maybe one for your tech accessories. The consistent look of bamboo across drawers really helps your space feel unified. To wrap up, the Pipishell Bamboo Expandable Drawer Organizer is a rare combination of beauty, practicality, and sustainability. It's adaptable, thoughtfully crafted, and versatile across rooms. For under $35, it brings real value to everyday organization. This is the kind of upgrade that brings peace to your space without breaking the bank. If you're ready to ditch the drawer chaos and level up your organization game, this might be the best investment you make this year. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want to see more reviews on smart home essentials just like this one. See you next time.